Hello, this is Ryan. This is another video about intermediate algebra class. I want to point out a few things to you. The first is our eTextbook. Right here is a link to our book. So if you want to click on our book, you can do that. If you click on that link, it'll launch out to our textbook. If you click eText, it will load up into a book. And I want to point out a couple things to you about our eTextbook. And I also actually have it already marked here, but you can see our chapters. And I'll scroll over to them a little bit further, but I actually have a book here that I've already moved out to page 23. And 23 starts your section 3. And I've been posting some videos, but I also want to remind you that in your e-textbook, there are a lot of videos. Like here's a video right here about exponents. If you click on this little link, it'll actually load up a video on exponents, and you can play it and watch the whole video. It's really good. Click close, and if you go to the next page, you'll see another video here on exercises. And here's one on finding the square roots. Look, if you hover over it, it says it's 4 minutes and 17 seconds long. So, same video. Hit play. So, I just wanted to point that out to you because I don't want you to rely on the videos that I post and also the videos in your study guide. There's a lot of good videos within your textbook that you can watch to learn this content. Thanks a lot.